Hello everyone, and welcome back to Make Money in Every Way. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. If you've ever wondered what ETFs are and how you can invest in them, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Section 1. What are ETFs? Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are investment funds that trade on stock exchanges, just like individual stocks. They typically track an index, a commodity, or a basket of assets. Think of them as a hybrid between individual stocks and mutual funds. Section 2. Benefits of investing in ETFs. So, why invest in ETFs? Here's why they're popular among investors. Diversification. ETFs provide exposure to a wide range of assets, reducing the risk of putting all your money in one stock. Liquidity. Since they trade on exchanges, you can buy and sell ETFs throughout the trading day. Lower costs. ETFs often have lower fees compared to mutual funds, making them an attractive option for cost-conscious investors. Flexibility. You can find ETFs for almost any investment theme, from technology to emerging markets. Section 3. Risks and considerations. While ETFs offer many benefits, there are some risks and considerations to keep in mind. Market risk. Like any investment, ETFs are subject to market fluctuations. Tracking error. Some ETFs may not perfectly track the underlying index, leading to variations in performance. Leveraged and inverse ETFs. These specialized ETFs can be riskier and are best suited for experienced investors. Section 4. How to invest in ETFs. Ready to invest in ETFs? Here's a step-by-step guide. Identify your goals. Determine your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Choose the right ETFs. Research different ETFs, focusing on their holdings, performance, fees, and suitability for your portfolio. Select a brokerage platform. Find a reliable brokerage platform that offers the ETFs you're interested in. Start investing. Buy shares of the ETFs and consider setting up automatic contributions for consistent investing. Conclusion. Investing in ETFs can be a smart way to diversify your portfolio, access various markets, and manage costs. As with any investment, it's essential to do your research and consult with a financial professional if needed. Happy investing, and may your portfolio thrive. If you found this video insightful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. For more investment tips and strategies, check out our other videos. See you next time.